Here we have a big bag of fun. Gaskets. Oh, Malossi. Exhaust. And much other fun things. So my plan this spring is to make this safe to go on the road again, because it has 14 years old tires that are dry. We got some bad cables for the gear selector. We have bad shock absorbers and so on. I will also change the exhaust and things like that. I already changed this air bellow here, because as you might remember, the old one was dry, not working very well. So now I'll start to mount a new shock absorber in the rear. So I got new shocks for the front and the rear. So here we have the new rear shock, and all I have to do is put this distance on here, and then I can mount it. And this one, the old rear shock, you can hear doesn't work very well, and sometimes it gets stuck. So here is the new rear shock mounted. The spring preload is adjustable. It's not a fancy shock in any way, but much better than the old one, the stock original one. So the rear end is sorted with new wheel, rim and a new shock. And I got me a new one of these mud flaps, because it was missing on a boat bike. So I'm just gonna pop that into place. And then we have the whole rear end sorted. So now I have to start with the front end. There we have the old one. And I also saw now that, can you see, the cover for the front brake is all damaged, so I need to change that also. I am going to change all the cables and covers, but I thought I would do it. My plan was to do it in the winter time, when I will do the rebuild of the engine and everything, but this is important, so I have to take it now. So here we have a new front shock. This cover here was broken, so we have got ourselves a new one. There we go. Norlock washers. Nuts. I'm also changing all the lenses for the flashers around the bike, because I don't like these yellow ones, so it will be gray ones instead. Time to get this in place. Now the exhaust is installed. Brand new air filter. Nice. Old one, new one.